How to read WhatsApp messages without blue tick. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings. After you click on Settings, click on Privacy. Then you'll find Read Receipts. Simply turn it on. After you turn this on, when you send a message or receive a message, and if you see or read the message, blue tick won't show. And in this way, you're good to go. This is how to read WhatsApp message without blue tick. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.